Hello and welcome to Trains in the Attic. It's another build week. This week it's the third option from the Paul, which was the Metcalfe Low Relief Half Timber shop front. And with this I also have a wad of lights to go with it, and because I'm using lights on it I will also need to use the diffuser film and light blocking kit. So I'll build the kit, then I'll do a review, then I'll add the additional bits and then show you it's finished. So my next bit is to do a quick unboxing and then I'll do the build for you. So first thing is getting into the box. How easy is it today? Not too bad. I'll just take the ruler to finish opening it. So what do I get in the box today? I get some roof trims. I get a grey board. I get an instruction sheet. I get an instruction sheet with some shop interiors. I get some windows, actually very nice windows. I got the laser cut bits. And then last of all, I got the building. So I'll read the instructions and then do the build. So this is the build. I said I was going to put some lights in it, but I have decided not to, as I think it looked quite good like this, as it might be an old museum or something like that, so not all buildings will need to have lights, but this was a fun build. I really enjoyed doing it. Lots of little details, few which I've decided to keep off. Really enjoyable kit, and I really enjoyed making it. Thank you for your time. Make sure to like, share and comment on my videos. And I'll see you next time. Thank you very much, Richard.